लपे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear aspirants, I hope you all are well. So yesterday we have discussed about pronouns and its types. So now let us again revise the pronouns with the detailed information. Okay. So yesterday we have come across with the types of nouns, pronouns. Okay, pronouns are words that replaces nouns. Okay, so here along with the definition we can see here pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Examples: I, he, she, it, we, they, them, us, mine, etc. Okay, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Examples: I, he, she, it, we, they, them, us, mine, etc. Example sentences: she is my friend. You underline what is pronoun in this. Okay, this is my classroom. He doesn't want to go with them. They are coming tomorrow. So these are the example sentences of the pronouns. Kinds of pronouns: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns represents people or things. The personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them. Before understanding the concept, you must know the definition of what is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns represents people or things. Okay, the personal pronouns are, just now I have read I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them. Okay, here next second one is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative means showing or making something clear. Okay, demonstrative means showing or making something clear. Here demonstrative pronouns point to things. The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Again I am repeating, demonstrative pronouns point to things. The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Let us elaborate these four words. Use this and these to talk about things that are near in space or time. This is singular, these, the word is plural. For plural forms we can use these. If one book is there, this is my book. If 2, 3, 4 books are there, these are my books, which are very near to you. You are very near to those books, you can use these. If one book is there, if more than one book is there, you can use these are my books. So use this and these to talk about things that are near in space or time. Use that and those to talk about things that are farther away in space or in time. Means that is singular form, those are the plural one. That. Okay, that when we can use that, the farthest place, farther away in space or in time. Let us see the examples. Demonstrative pronouns, example sentences: this is my phone, those are my books, these are beautiful flowers, those are goats. Means those are very near to you, you can use these are. If there were so many are there, those are you can use like that. Okay, this is my phone, again it came. Okay, this is my phone, those are my books, not one book, so many books are there, those are my books. These are beautiful flowers, means not one flower is there, so many flowers are there, these are beautiful flowers, those are goats. Here next, the third one is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative means questioning or used in questions. Interrogative, the word mean questioning something or used in questions. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, which, what, whoever, whatever, etc. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, which, what, whoever, whatever, etc. Okay, understand? Okay, let us see the next one. Use who and whom to talk about people. Who and whom to talk about people. Use which and what to talk about animals and things. This difference we must know, then only we can able to speak correct English. Okay, and we can identify correct form of the English. So these are the differences when we should use who, whom, which, what. Which and what belongs to things and animals. Who and whom belongs to people. Okay, if you are asking which person, means it is not good. Okay, it will change the whole scenario. So that's the reason you must know the difference between who and which, whom and what. Okay, so again I am reading. Use who and whom to talk about people. Use who and whom to talk about people. Use which and what to talk about animals and things. I think I am clear now here. Now let us see here again that only. Next, the interrogative pronouns, example sentences. Who is your sister? Here you have to identify which is the interrogative pronouns. Whom did you speak to? Which subject do you like? What are the materials for project work? Next, fourth one is possessive pronouns. Possessive means showing ownership. Possessions are nothing but our belongings. So possessive means showing ownership. Possessive pronouns indicate that something belongs to somebody, something. Possessive pronouns indicate that something belongs to somebody or something. The possessive pronouns are my, your, his, her, its, our, their, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Again I am repeating. The possessive pronouns are my, your, his, her, its, our, their, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. So here possessive pronouns example sentences. I have lost my wallet. You have to identify what is possessive in this. This book is hers. Is that cat yours? My car is slow. Hers is much faster. Okay, in these sentences you have to identify what is possessive pronoun. Possessive means examples I have given here. You see here. His, her, its, our, their, mine, yours, his, hers. Okay, these are the examples. Next, the fifth one is relative pronouns. Relative means connected with something. Relative means connected with something. Again I am telling, relative means connected with something. Relative pronouns are pronouns that link different part of a sentence. Relative pronouns are pronouns that link different part of a sentence. The relative pronouns are who, whom, which, that, whoever, etc. The relative pronouns are who, whom, which, that, whoever, etc. So that which the relative pronouns are pronouns that link different part of a sentence. Here relative pronouns example sentences are there. I saw a little girl who was crying. Here what is relative pronoun? Who. This is costly watch which I got as a gift. Which one? Which is the relative pronoun. This is costly watch that I got as a gift. Which also we can use, that also we can use. This is costly watch that I got as a gift. The girl who called yesterday came to see you. Who, here who means relative pronoun. The teacher whom you wrote has answered your questions. I really liked the book that, or which we can use. I really liked the book that which you gave me. Okay, so these are the examples of sentences, relative pronouns. Four kinds are there in pronouns. I will check if those are important, if those are going to ask in exams. I shall explain those also, because here only 5 kinds only I have explained. Inshallah, first I should know those 4 are also important or not. If those are important, if they are asking in the exam, so inshallah I will explain those kinds of the pronouns also. So you make notes on this, practice on this. Inshallah we shall provide the bits also after the completion of this content. Okay, so go through with this. So tomorrow, today this much only. Inshallah we shall see tomorrow again remain parts of the pronouns. If it is are important, then we can go, or else we can go for some other parts of speech. Okay, Allah Hafiz.